back to my channel. If you are new here, you are so very much welcome. You are rolling with Queen B, and I know today you're looking at this thing here and you're wondering like, hey, where's your face? Yeah, that's my face, the one that you're seeing there, like that one that's tired with life. Yeah, that's me. Anyways, if you're new here, you are very much welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, sweet or bad, I don't care, just leave a comment down below. Anyway, bad comments always encourage, good comments also encourage. Anyway, I'm blabbing a lot. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your videos to look like what is in here, like what is in this thing that is looking at you, like what do you want, this one, yeah, that face of mine. So without further ado, let's go in. I am screen recording so you can see literally everything. If a WhatsApp message gets in, you can possibly see it, but I'm gonna make sure that you don't see it, like literally. And I hope I'm not going to be stabbed. So anyway, first things first, let's go to App Store. I am going to use this app that you're seeing here. It's called Pretty App, and my voice is going down low. So I'm going to go to App Store. So this is an app that is supported by both Android and iOS. I know iOS is for the Apple, so it is supported by Apple and Android. So you go to your Apple Store, App Store, or your Android Play Store. Is it Play Store or App Store? I don't know. I don't really know. I literally forgot about that. So you go and type Pretty App, and you, oh, it's not supposed to be having that. So you go there. Your girl already uploaded it, and I'm going to open it. So this is how it comes. If you've downloaded something and it doesn't come like this, that's not the app. That's totally not the app. So in here we have, this is a camera, and this is a video. This is for capturing, so you can video record, you can take your photos with this camera, but these photos and video are for editing. And this other one are the more apps, that's more of the features that you can get when you pay for this monthly or yearly, annually payments. So there is payments, and in the payments you have one time where you pay $60, we have 1 year where you pay $28, we have 1 month where you pay $7. That is like, this is like 6,000 Kenyan shillings, 22,800 Kenyan shillings, and 800 Kenyan shillings. So I have not paid for any. I use the free version because my pictures don't really need that much of editing. Then let's go on. Today, I told you before, you can edit videos, you can edit pictures. So I only do editing pictures with this, and I was thinking of doing this, but I already did it. So let's see where I can find it somewhere for me to do, so you guys can see. I have lots and lots of pictures. I decided to go with let's say one that has a lot in the background. I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to add so that I can edit it as a photo. Yep. So let's go to the big screen. Good. Now it has a lot of features. It has body features that needs to be paid for. It edits your photo, and I'm not going to do that because I'm perfect with my photo the way it is. Then it has waist and all that. So let me see. Jesus Christ, that's ridiculous. That's insane. No, I'm not going to do that. So, I'm not a pro at this, so I don't know how to modify my body in itself. So I'm not going to try that, because if I try that, I am going to mess up big time, and y'all are gonna come for me. So maybe if I'm going to do a video of a Photoshop, which I don't think I'm going to do that, I'm not willing to spend $7 to buy a monthly subscription for just that. I assure you, I'm not into that. So we have auto, then we have waist, enhancer. This, I don't know what this enhancer is. Just download this, then you will get the full picture of what I'm telling you. I'm just telling you the highlights. So we have the belly, the hips. You want to enlarge your hips. You want to broaden your shoulders. There's there. You want to look taller. There is there. You want your arms to have the biceps or it to be feminine. It is there. You want them big legs, them big thighs. It is there. You want them abs and the flat tummy. It is there. You want them skin to be soft, to be tanned and all that. It is there. You want the whole of your body to be smooth. It is there. You want just to stretch it out. I don't know what that stretch it out means. I think it's a weird thing, but it is there. You want a tattoo. You want to have straight legs, like if maybe yours are knocked like mine are knocked, or you have like that gap in between. You want it to be, I don't know, your insecurities. That is there. Now let's go down to face. And when we're in face, we have this that is for shaping your face. My face is perfect. Thank you, darling. And then we have beauty. Then we have shade. We have makeup. Is it shade? No, it's side. Then we have shrink, expressions, hair, alignment of your teeth, touch up of your makeup, smoothening of your face, even tone, acne free, red eyes, the brightening, the details, wrinkles, teeth whitening, details, highlights, matte if you have that oily face like mine, and texture. And those that are so complicated, they have to be paid for, like the teeth alignment. That one, a lot of people need. I'm not shaming, but a lot of people need them. I don't need them. So we have reshape, patch, makeup, remove. I think that is like removing the background. Then cut out. Let me see. It's not paid. So let me see. Oh, remove the background of the blemishes. Yeah, honey. Remove the background of the blemishes. I'm good, baby. And then there's a cutout. There's the 3D light, the effects, the filter, the blur, the crop, and the edits. Good. Now we're headed somewhere. So personally for me, I don't like smoothening my face because I believe and I have very much confidence in my blending game. So I don't always go back and smoothen it out and add skin tones and all that. I love my dark skin the way it is. So what I always like to do is to use a filter. When you have the green light, it either brings you, it depends with the settings of your ring light. So mine is warm. I have a cool undertone. You understand? This is a warm undertone. I have a very cool undertone. So because I have a cool undertone, I love going with this HO1. And this HO1 gives me this kind of a look. You already see the difference. And my walls are not yellow the way it shows, like the yellow kind of creamish kind of thing. Is it cream or beige? It's not like that. It is this shade. Everything is that shade. The wall shade is like that, the one that I currently have right now. So we can say I use it for color correcting, and that is that. Then we go to blur. And in blur, there is auto, there is paint and the eraser, then there is shape. I always go for auto. Then I press on it and see where it has been blurred that I don't want to be blurred. And already I see some part of my little tiny part of my hair is blurred. So I am going to reduce the opacity and just go slowly. I'm not that stable, man. I'm not always that stable. But and then I see my earring over here is also blurred out. That has to be there. And then part of it like that. So that is done. And then after that is done, I agree. And when you agree, there is no change, there is no going backward. Even if you press on this other side, you are not going back whatsoever. So I don't need to crop this, but I'm going to go to edit, and my light, the ring light, when it hit me, it was so bright, so I'm going to go and reduce the brightness up to 15. You see the change? Do you see the change from then? And you see that? I love it like that. If you're one who love brightness, you can add, but I love it when it goes dark. And contrast, I am going to go higher with 15. And I'm going to go with saturation also. I'm going to go with it at 15. Let's leave it at 14. Then we have vibrance. Vibrance, when you go like that, it's more of a red, and then you go like that, it's more of a black and white. So 15 will be also the best for this. And then I don't use this because I literally I am being very honest with you right now. I don't know how to use these colors, so I do not use them. If anyone knows how to use them, comment down below. I will really appreciate. Then I go to sharpening, and I always want every details of my skin to be visible, every detail of it to be visible, because when I look at a photo like this, I get very confident and like that picture immediately, with immediate effect, because what I see there is what is on my face, and when I do my makeup and see the texture there, I love it. And I like that picture very fast. So with also that one, I'm going to clarity, just 20, because a lot of it brings every detail to your photo. Like, it brings every effing detail. And then we have ambience, and that is more red and that is more dark. So what do? We go with a little bit of it to 10. Then we have highlights, and on highlights I am going to go with 15. On shadow, I don't know whether I want that to be shadowed or to be black, but I'm going to go with 15 on also the shadow, because I don't want my background to be that visible. I just want me and my face being visible. And also on this other side, when you go this side, it's of a warmer tone. When you go on this side sorry, it's of a cooler tone. So I'm going to go with 50 for the cooler tone. It really depends with what you want to look like. I have a cool undertone, and I love being in the cooler side. I don't like being the warmer side. So with I don't know. I don't know. When you go on this side, it is purple. When you go on this side, it is green. So I'm going to put it here at 15 or 10. Let's see how we do with 12. That is just perfect. Then I'm going to go with grains. I don't know what grains does, but your girl is going to go on with that because it still makes this perfect. And I'm going to go with 15. With exposure, I don't like doing it because too much of it is a lot. A little bit of it is just nothing. So I don't like going with that. And that is done like that. In that sector, there is no payment for anything. So that's why I love using it. And then we have set. And on the setting, we have resolution, where you can also go up to 4K. And also formatting, there is export of JPG, and then there's export of as PNG. And then the other remaining ones, apart from large, darling, you have to pay for it. There's nothing that comes for free. So with that, you can also upload. And before I upload it, I have also to give you a warning. If you're using a Wi-Fi or if you're using a data, they are going to give you adverts. So be ready for that. So I'm not going to wait for that advert to come through, which I know it will come through, Oh, thank God today it hasn't come through. Then I am going to go back to home. And guys, that is how you set. If you're someone who like to put on a lot of exaggeration, you can use this app. And I don't know whether it is supported in the US, I don't know, but you can also give it a try. If it's supported by your country, if it's supported by your device, you guys can go on with this. And I'ma see you in my next video, and bye bye. I'm clocking out. Bye.